Send 1. Hook. YouTube earnings, money, 2025, laptop, analytics. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the Project ICN YouTube channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos. And don't forget to share this video with your friends so more people can benefit from these tips. Let's dive in. Did you know some YouTubers earn 6 figures in just a few months? In 2025 it's possible, and I'm putting it to the test. Can I crack the code and start earning big in record time? Let's find out. Send 2. Introduction. YouTube logo, creators, filming setup, camera, social media icons. Making money on YouTube fast is the dream for millions of aspiring creators. With billions of viewers and endless niches, the opportunities in 2025 are bigger than ever. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can jumpstart your YouTube income without wasting months guessing what works. Send Chap 3. The problem: competition, crowded market, YouTube search, algorithm changes, stressed creator. YouTube is more competitive than ever. Millions of creators upload daily. The algorithm keeps changing, and the monetization requirements are no joke. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year just to apply for the partner program. Send Chap 4. The frustration: graph drop, video views decreasing, disappointed face, laptop, low stats. One day, your video can go viral. The next day, it's buried deep where no one finds it. That's why so many new creators feel discouraged and give up. Send 5. Overcoming the challenges. Niche market, audience engagement, online community, sponsorship, affiliate marketing. There are ways to overcome these hurdles and make money on YouTube faster. First, pick a niche you're passionate about but that also has proven demand. Second, engage with your audience and build a community around your channel. Third, explore multiple income streams like sponsorships and affiliate marketing. Send 6. The key to success. Success story: makeup tutorials, oily skin beauty, beauty influencer, ring light. For many creators, success comes from finding a profitable niche and creating content that resonates deeply with the audience. Example: a beauty YouTuber focusing only on makeup for oily skin. In just 4 months, she built a loyal fan base and hit $5,000 per month. Send 7. Conclusion: consistency, creativity, planning, motivation, teamwork. Consistency, creativity, and understanding your audience are key to fast YouTube success. Don't let setbacks discourage you. Every successful creator faced them. Send 8. Call to action, comments section, engagement, subscribe button, YouTube channel page. What's your biggest challenge growing on YouTube? Comment below and let's talk about it. For more tips, check out my other videos.